Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can edit the header or how you can change the header in Elementor. So many times what is happening is that you are going to have the basic header here when you're gonna create your own site in Elementor. So what you want to do first is just get rid of the header and title. Go to settings in left down corner and then change the page layout to Elementor canvas. Right when you will do it, you're gonna see that you don't have any header here at all. Now, what you need to do is just press Ctrl-Shift-L on Windows or Command-Shift-L on Mac. I will show you like this. Then go to Blocks and in category write header. And what I really like is that you can choose between many examples of header here. So I don't know, I'm going to choose this one, the Beyond. And it's going to be right down here. So what I will do, I will go to Navigator and I will take header and put it to up, up, up. Right here, let's just edit this. I will choose the image here. I would choose also the, I recommend changing the vertical padding too. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you just choose and edit everything. Then you got like the three columns here. The first column is the image for logo. The second column is edit navigation menu. And the third one is the call to action. You can also edit the search here or whatever else you want to have it. It's pretty simple. I definitely recommend, guys, changing the vertical padding to 0 so it's not going bigger. And then how to change that is not scrolling with you is when you go here, go to sticky, none, and let's preview the change how it looks like. Hey, this is beyond me why it's not working right now. Oh, here we go. This is what we want. Oh, I edited here on this one, so this thing needs to be on none. And voila, here we got it. Pretty perfect, right? So this is how you can change header, and it's like really easy. And if you would like to edit the menu, you just go to WordPress dashboard and appearance menu, and you just edit the menu here. So this is how you can change the menu in Elementor and how you can change everything, whole header. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.